Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, back on another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to check your battery health on your Samsung device. This is only for Samsung devices, not any of the Android phone. So you think you can check it in the settings, but you can't actually do any of that. It doesn't show any of that. So what you have to do is you have to download this app, Samsung Members app. It usually comes installed, but I've uninstalled it because obviously I've never used it in my life. No need for it. But yeah, now I need to. So when you do get a new phone, if you want to check the battery health, download Samsung Members, sign in. So mine should already be signed in because I've got my Samsung account on this phone. Yeah, so that's fine. So can you see here it says diagnostics? So press diagnostics, phone diagnostics, and now here battery status. So it's already telling me there's something wrong. Let's press it anyway. Test it. There you go. Action required. Battery is weak. 3300 milliamp hour. So I believe this is a 3500 milliamp hour battery. Let me see. Let me check for you right now, guys. Oh no, it is a 3300 milliamp hour. So it won't tell you what milliamp hour you have in the thing. It just tell you the normal capacity and tell you what your battery life is. So mine is very weak, which I'm aware of because this phone is 5 years old now and never had one battery replacement. So, and I charge more often than most people. So yeah. So but I'm not planning to change the battery in this anyway. I've actually got a surprise coming up. I've bought a new phone, guys. Stay tuned for that. So that's why I'm showing you how to check it now. So when the new phone arrives, I'm going to be checking it this way. Because say if you buy a used phone from eBay refurbished, if they're not 80%, you can have the battery replaced for free under warranty. So yeah, they have to come with a minimum of 80%, so you'll know. So if it says action required, blah blah blah, if it's 80%, it won't say action required and stuff because it's not that bad. But yeah, this is really bad because the life is very weak, obviously. Check your battery usage. That'll just take you to a normal app. As you can see, they should have just built it into the app. So yeah, you can also test other stuff in here. But yeah, that's the main thing you're going to be checking anyway. So that's how you check your battery health. And yeah, if you do see this sign, get your battery replaced, it's probably dying. My one usually gives me warnings half the time that the battery is bad. So yeah, he already knows it's bad, and even I know it's bad because it doesn't last as long as it should. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. If this video has been useful, please leave a like, share with your friends, and subscribe. Goodbye.